Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Brawler in Brawl Stars. If you want to change your Brawler in Brawl Stars quickly and easily, then the process is quite easy. Launch the Brawl Stars app open on your device and make sure you're connected to the internet. On the main screen, tap on the Brawlers tab on the left-hand corner of the screen, and then from the Brawlers option, scroll through your available Brawlers and then select the Brawler you'd want to change to or use. After you find the Brawler, go ahead and click on the Select button on the bottom left. If there is an upgrade available, you can go ahead and make an upgrade by tapping Upgrade on the right corner, but make sure you have enough in-game currency to do so. To select the Brawler, tap on Select and you have now successfully changed your Brawler in Brawl Stars. You can now start the match by tapping on Play at the bottom right and your chosen Brawler will now be active. So that's how you know how you can change your Brawler quickly and easily in Brawl Stars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.